in Florida.
Amaya following me everywhere. I'm trying to go a little bit. I'm trying to go a little bit deeper.
No, don't. You're not supposed to go deep.
Sanaya and Amaya. Turn around, take a picture with your brother. All right, come on. See, y'all, look. Amaya.
We just got out here at Daytona Beach. As soon as we got here, the man called, said the house ready.
For the three of us first, and then I'll get you. Oh, that's cute.
Maya, you need to stay back.
She getting all wet.
I'm recording you, you recording me.
You posting stuff on Facebook?
No. Just one thing I'm about to now.
I've
I've been bamboo.
Whatever you post, tag me in it.
Tag you in what?
Come back this way.
Man, they halfway wet. They might as well get in the whole water.
Why you all the way wet?
Yeah, I know, right? She is. Look, look at the water. Oh, wow.
I like to get wet.
It's time to hit the pool now.
Man, what is wrong with you?
This is what we do. Just out here chilling at Daytona Beach. Yepperoni. It's nice out here too. Water, it ain't crystal clear, but it's a little blue.
I'm burning up in these sweatpants, though, I can tell you that.
Ain't nobody tell you to put no sweatpants on.
Shut up.
In the car.